Hey YouTube. Today I'm gonna do a video on my GE refrigerator right here. It's bought in about 2000 and it's maybe about 2000 or 99 or something like that. It's probably 2000, and it's been running since 11 years. It's a good refrigerator. There's a lot of junk in it right now, but there's the controls back there. Get around and stuff. Tell you what, I don't know why we have all this junk back here. Very messy fridge, let's see. Alright. This refrigerator has R134A refrigerant in it. Just to let you know. There's a control back there. I will flip it off. Just to let you guys. Or actually put it down. Alright, it's off. It's not off, but so yeah, that's that. I'll wait a few minutes and I'll start it back up. Some of the stuff back in. Alright, but I took some stuff out, so I'm gonna put it back in. Alright, almost. There we go. Freezer's probably a mess. Listen closely, hear the refrigerant. The ice maker, we don't have it hooked up right now because it was leaking. And yeah, that's why there's stuff in the tray. Ice cube tray up there, but it does work if you pour water in it. It doesn't leak that way as long as you pour the right amount of water in it. It freezes them, toss them right out. I'm gonna get my thermometer to prove to you guys that it's working. Let's see. Turn my 9 degrees, 0, -6, 2, 0. Back there, it's probably about. It's a little warm back there. I don't know why. Still pretty good. This thing hasn't been cleaned in a while, so let's see. 45, 50. It's probably a little lower than that. I'd say it's around 44, 37. Depends where you take it. On the outside walls here, it's a little warmer, but alright, now I'm gonna turn it back on because I don't want this food to 7. More. There we go. It's not kicked back on right away, but it'll kick back on pretty soon. Put some of this stuff back. Alright, so yeah. Here's the side. And go around back. Probably warm back there. 78, yeah, it's only 70 in the house. Probably close to 80 right back there because the fan and stuff. This plug is right there, right where the laser is. There's the water line for the ice maker. back down there. That door right here. Access panel. It barely has any clearance between the cabinet. Now, my thermometer just fits under there. So yeah, that's it. That's my GE refrigerator. R134A. It's 18.2 cubic feet, I believe, from 2000. And yes, lots of junk. It's not all my junk. It's everyone else's. Families. So I hate to show all this, but yeah, some of you probably have a lot junkier refrigerators. Under here actually is the condensing coil, probably under there somewhere. It's kind of dirty. I'm gonna have to clean that, and the fan back there. So, alright, yeah, that's it. That's my GE refrigerator from 2000, 2001, something like that. Alright, over and out.